Ay caramba. Hey man, it's the fool. What's good with y'all? And I'm coming with another trade recap. And today was a bad day. I'm never trading Fridays again. I thought I could trade Friday today because we have 9:45 news. I thought the market would do what it do, but we're still in a wavy market, which is usually how Fridays go. But since we had news, I thought it would be cool. So yeah, never, never again. But it's my fault for not recognizing the market conditions. It's just back and forth, accordion pattern, wavy market. But let's go over into the day. Coming to the day, I was pretty bullish, even though we're in this range. We're making higher highs, and we're disrespecting these bearish imbalances. But on the high time frame, there wasn't really any imbalance, high time frame imbalance that I wanted to see get tapped into because there just really isn't any within this range. There's a lot of wiki price action. There was some on the 15 minute, like right here. We inversed this one right here. But overall, there wasn't too much I was looking at. But on the internal model, price when we initially go up, we buy up, we take London high, we take Asia high, and we have an S&P between NQ and ES with these highs. So ES taking these highs, NQ isn't. And then with that being said, and look, we're ripping down to this imbalance now. This is probably what I should have waited for, honestly. I guess I just wasn't patient enough because I know I have confidence that this will buy up after reaching this imbalance. But with this S&T being said, you can expect price to rebalance, and I thought this was the rebalance because we come into equilibrium. I believe we come into equilibrium of the range to the tick, and then we come back up. So I believe this was the rebalance to then continue higher, and I believe that's where I take the trade. But I take it on NQ. So on the 30 second, on the 1 minute, and I believe on the 2 minute, there's this big imbalance. It gets inverse on all three time frames. So I take it on the 30 second, but I'm also looking at the 1 minute. So we have this imbalance that it gets inverse. It gets retested, then it gets closed above on the 30 second. This is when I take the trade. And then I'm looking on the 1 minute to see. Oh, wrong one. I'm looking on the 1 minute to see if it gets inverse. When I see it gets inverse, that gives me even more confidence in the trade. But obviously, I get stopped out. And I was aiming for these highs, and I was gonna take parcels at this high, de-risk at this high, and yeah, I get stopped out. Clearly, that just wasn't the move. And who knows? Maybe we are bearish. Maybe we inverse this imbalance. But what also had me confident is after the first 15 minute after market up, the first 15 minute after market up, or the second one, we close above this. No, the first one we close above this imbalance too. This really made me bullish on the day, and I believe we were gonna continue higher. But clearly, that wasn't the plan for today. Especially since we're just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. This is why I don't trade Fridays, and I'm probably never gonna after this ever again. Who knows? Maybe a year from now. But yeah, starting off the account with the loss, it doesn't feel good, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's just it is what it is.